How to get receipt in Lyft. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from the Solution Guy. In today's video I'll show you how you can get a receipt sent to your email on Lyft, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now launch the Lyft app and just tap on the three lines from the top left and then scroll down to find the option called Ride History and then just tap on it. Once you go to Ride History, just tap on the option called Export, which is at the top right hand corner of the screen, and then just choose the ride you wish to have a receipt for. So just go ahead and select a ride and then tap on the option called Send Report, which is at the bottom of the screen. Now once you send the report, a Lyft rides receipt with the rides you selected will arrive in your inbox shortly in both PDF and CSV format, so you have to go ahead and look for them in your inbox section. And that's all it takes to get your receipt in Lyft. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.